Hello, hello, metal detecting DK. I'm out here on this field I've done before, but I've never done this horse field, so I've decided to do this part. First target, an old, well not an old, but a horse press, some kind. So let's see what we find. Next find, it's a broken knife blade. Let's see if we find more. And next target of the day. Looked like a clock key to wind it up or whatever. And the weather is awesome today. It's very hot. And this place I've produced 10 silver coins, and so I'm definitely hoping for more. And next find, part of a spoon, older model. And the next target looks to be a part of a door handle. And a button. No coins yet though. And a old button. Next target, piece of a spoon. It's like there's something standing there, but can't see it. Well, yay! The first coin of the day. And then there's only a €5, 1907. And something silver. Don't know what it is. You can see the number there, 830. It's a lesser form of silver, or in the, I think it was the 1800s. If you didn't want to go to Copenhagen and get the silver stamped, you were allowed to stamp it with 830. So it could be okay silver. But it's silver. Yay! And another coin. €1. Christian the 9th. I think it says what? 1904. And another button. And next find, a small buckle. And next find is a spoon handle. I've seen one like this before. I think it says Frederick, and it's a crown, and it's a king's name. So I've never seen a spoon handle like that. Next target. Don't know what it is. It's quite heavy. But no idea. And something silver. Don't know what it is. Can it be something from a pocket watch? Well, if there's a silver pocket watch lying out here, better keep looking. And the coin, a 2 euro, 18 something. It's not Danish, I think it's maybe Swedish or Norwegian. So, yeah, next target, another button. And another button. And next find. So 1 euro. Christian the 10th. 1916. No silver. Other than that, silver, I think it was a button. I don't know. After that 1 year earlier, I had to stop hunting and go home. And, I went out for some evening hunting. And you see those chimneys over there? That's our monastery. So I'm out on these fields here. And the first target, a 5 euro. So let's see what we get. And a old button. And a 1 euro. Completely destroyed. I think that's going to be the last target of the day. And on the way back to the car, I think that's a button. It's pretty light. Oh well.